In this video, we are going to appear for subjective test or descriptive test or long answer type test. Okay, so for this, we'll open our virtual exam app and we will go to subjective test. But make sure that you are registered. If you are not registered, then you can register yourself using student REG option. And if you are registered already, then you can go to subjective test and give your username, right? So after giving the username, select your test. So I am selecting my descriptive test, right? So this home screen will come. Here you can see we have test, Q number and plus button, right? So we will go to test button, click on test button to see the test paper, right? You can scroll it also. Okay, in this way you can scroll and see the question paper, right? And make it disappear by clicking on test button again. Okay, now you can click on Q number, and suppose if I want to answer question number 1, then I will click on question number 1. Okay, now you can see this TK photo button came, right? So I will click on this TK photo to take the photo of my answer. Now see, the important part is, suppose I have a very long answer, so it is a good practice that I will break the answer into many pages. Okay, if I have a long answer, so don't take picture like this, or don't try to take a photo of complete page at once like this. Okay, it's always a good practice that you come close to the answer, right? Like you can see, this is the complete answer, but this is the complete answer you can see, but I will break the answer into two parts like this. This is the half portion. Now you can see the answer is very clear. Okay, the answer is very clear. So I will complete this answer into 2 pages. Okay, so you can see, so I will touch this stream, this camera stream. You just have to touch this camera stream. Okay, and you can see the inserting then saved one means I have saved the first part of question number 1, saved 1. Okay, so this saved 1 is very important. You can see the saved in right of TK photo button. Okay, now if you want to add but this is not the complete answer. Okay, and I have to add more pages, so I will click on this plus button in the right border. So after clicking on this plus button, I'll get this blank page, and I will click on TK photo again, right? And this time I will cover the next part of the answer. Okay, this is the next part, and whenever I will touch this camera stream, right, it will be inserting then saved 1A. 1A means second part of question number 1. So I have inserted 2 pages for question number 1. In this way we can break a long answer into multiple pages, right? And making your answer in multiple pages make your answers clear, right? And if you are not satisfied with this photo, then you can click on TK photo again, right, to take the photo again. Okay, if you are not satisfied, got it, right? So and suppose if you want to add more pages for this question number 1, then you can click on this plus button again, and you will get a blank screen. Then you can click on TK photo, and process is same. Now you can click on question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, right? And one more thing, you can see the one came to this orange color. It means that you have submitted the answer for question number 1. Okay, orange color means you have submitted the answer of question number 1. And if you want to change the answer for question number 1 again, like suppose you are not satisfied with the answers given in question number 1, then you can click on question number 1 again and repeat the whole process, TK photo or plus button, right? And then your answers will be saved for question number 1 again. Okay, right? Meanwhile, if you want to see the question paper, then you can click on this test button, and you can see the question paper. You can see the question paper, and before answering any question, make sure that this question paper is disappeared by clicking on test button. Okay, so I have disappeared this test paper by clicking on test button. I can make it appear again by clicking on test button, right, in this way. Now if I want to answer question number 2, then I will click on Q number button, then go to click on 2 number, right. So in this way you will submit your test paper, and you can see the saved written in right of TK photo button, saved 1, saved 2, like that means your answers are getting saved, right. There is no as such submit option or anything, right. Whenever this saved message came, it means that your answer has been saved, no need to do anything else. Okay, so saved means your answer has been saved for that particular question number. So in this way you can complete your subjective test. Thank you very much.